A few days ago, while I was browsing YouTube, I stumbled upon a video that completely caught my attention. Its title was 8 Ruthless Lessons That Make You Dangerously Smart. From the very first few seconds, I could tell this was going to be something special. The video talked about 8 psychological traits, also known as dark intelligence, that help people survive in an unfair world and achieve success in life. That concept instantly sparked my curiosity, so I decided to dig deeper and analyze the channel behind it. To my surprise, the channel had grown insanely fast in just 2 months. That's when it hit me. This niche is booming. The dark psychology niche, a mix of psychology and philosophy, naturally draws people in. The titles are so powerful, you can't just scroll past them. I clicked without even thinking twice. This style attracts a very specific audience. People who are deeply interested in understanding how the human mind works. And that's exactly what's driving this channel's explosive growth. With just 37 videos, it has already reached over 50,000 subscribers, more than 2 million views, and according to Social Blade, it's making over $5,000, and I'm pretty sure that number is only going to rise. That's when I decided to make this video for you. My research showed that every single part of this type of content, from voice and visuals to script writing, can be created entirely using AI, which is exactly how that channel did it. What's even more interesting is that other successful creators in this same niche are following the same path and seeing massive results. So today I'm going to show you step by step how to create videos just like these and actually make money from them. As always, I've written down all the prompts and commands in a Google Doc so you can start right away without wasting time figuring things out. Make sure to watch this video until the end because I'm going to share a few crucial insights that could completely change your YouTube growth strategy.
There's a part of your mind that whispers when you should leave, a quiet alarm that rings with every harsh word, every careless betrayal. Yet somehow you stay. You stay longer than reason would allow. You stay even when your own instincts scream that the people closest to you are the ones inflicting the deepest wounds.
All right, now let's get into how to create videos in this powerful money-making niche. Step 1, finding your video idea. The first step is actually pretty simple. You need to focus on topics that have high engagement potential. In this niche, that usually means content around Machiavelli, dark psychology, philosophy, and the power of the mind, just like the channels we analyzed earlier. To make things easier for you, I've already done the research and prepared a Google Doc containing ready-to-use prompts for generating video ideas. All you have to do is input them and you can create an endless stream of video ideas specifically for this niche. Ideas designed to play with the viewer's mind and keep them watching until the very end. You can find the link to this file in the description. If you've been following along so far, do me a small favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the tutorial. Open the Google Doc, copy the title prompt, then paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. GPT will start generating titles that are practically irresistible. In the first round, it'll give you around 10 initial ideas. If none of them click with you, just ask for more, and it will create a fresh list of powerful titles. Just like that, you now have an endless source of compelling video ideas. From here, your only job is to scroll through the list and pick the title that has the strongest pull. Step 2. Writing your video script. Now we've reached the core part of the process, the script. This is the most critical step in the entire workflow. The script for this type of video needs to be written in a way that keeps the viewer hooked until the very end. Every single line should carry a sense of suspense, mystery, or a mental shock, making the audience feel like they're uncovering a secret they can't look away from. So how do you write a script like this? It's actually very simple. Go back to your Google Doc, copy the script prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Within this prompt, there's a section specifically for the title. Just choose the title you want and insert it there. For example, I picked title number 1 and pasted it in the title section. Then hit enter. At the start, GPT will ask you about the style of the script. All you need to do is select your preferred style. For this type of content, a psychological and documentary style works best, so that's what I chose. Immediately after, GPT will start generating a professional script, just like the successful examples we analyzed. The best part is there's no limit to the length of the text, so it can produce full, long-form scripts for you. If you ever need an even longer script, simply type part 2 after it. GPT will automatically continue from where it left off. With this method, you can create deep, engaging, and long videos, just like the channels that have achieved explosive growth in this niche. Step 3. Bringing your script to life with a professional voiceover. If you have a strong voice and engaging delivery, you can absolutely record the script yourself. All you need to do is search for TTS OpenAI on Google and go to the official link. Once there, log in with your Google account. You'll find several different voice options. Try each one to see which best matches the tone and mood of your content. For this video, I'll choose the Ash voice. It's calm, professional, and perfect for analytical content. Next, return to ChatGPT and your script. Since the script is complete and I don't want the video to be overly long, I'll select just a section of the script to convert into audio. The free version gives you about 2,000 characters of free credit. If you need more, you can either use a different account or subscribe for a small fee. Finally, click Create Speech, wait a few seconds, and your final voiceover is ready. Natural, clean, and professional, giving your video the energy and presence it needs.
Step 4. Creating visuals. The next step is crafting the visual elements for your video. If you look at successful examples in this style, you'll notice how unique and striking their images are. And that's exactly what makes their content stand out. But how can we create images like that? Truthfully, it took me some time to prepare the right prompts. And the best part is that they're designed so you can customize them to your style. To start, go back to your Google Doc and copy the image prompt, then paste it into ChatGPT. GPT will instantly generate a prompt for images that fits your script. At the end, it will ask, "Do you want me to create prompts for part 2? If you want, you can generate additional prompts just as easily. For image creation, I use Leonardo AI, a powerful and highly effective tool. Simply go to the image section, set the model to lucid origin, and adjust the image size to 16:9 so it's perfect for YouTube. Then copy your first prompt, paste it in, and click Generate. In just a few moments, your professional and visually appealing image will be ready to download. Repeat the process for the second image. Copy the next prompt, click Generate, and your next image is created. Continue this workflow until all sequences are visualized. Don't worry, these prompts are designed so that even in other image generation tools like ImageFX, you can produce images in the same consistent style. This is exactly the method top faceless content creators in philosophy and psychology niches use to produce videos that gather millions of views.
Step 5. Final editing in CapCut. Now we reach the final step, the moment everything comes to life. Editing. For this, we'll use CapCut, a tool that offers powerful filters and effects while keeping the interface simple and user-friendly. First, open CapCut and click New Project. Then go to Import and bring in all the images and audio files you've created. Drag the audio onto the timeline. If there are any long pauses or silences in the audio, trim them carefully without affecting the main voice. Once the audio is polished, select the entire track and click Create Compound Clip to make the sound smooth and cohesive. Next, it's time to work with the images. Place them one by one on the timeline and synchronize them with the narration. To make the video feel more mysterious, I used the vintage effect. You can easily download it from Google. After applying it, go to Basic, select Screen under Blend, and lower the opacity slightly to create a softer look. Then add the Sharpen Edges effect to give the images a slightly old and heavier feel. Drag this effect through the entire video and adjust the intensity to your preference. To add a subtle sense of movement, include the shake effect. Keep it minimal, just enough to give the visuals a dynamic feel without disturbing the viewer. Now it's time for transitions. I used Black Fade, a smooth and classic transition that naturally connects the sequences. Set the duration to 1 second to ensure fluid movement between sections. Next, add subtitles. Go to Text and select Auto Caption. Then click Generate. This may take a moment, but once finished, review the subtitles carefully for any spelling mistakes. To make them more appealing, you can apply pre-made subtitle templates. I personally choose a minimal and sleek style and slightly reduce the size to keep the video clean. Finally, it's time for background music. Go to Pixabay, search for Dark, and pick a track that matches the mysterious and analytical tone of your video. Download it and import it into CapCut. Lower the volume so it doesn't overpower the main narration. And that's it! Your video is now ready for export, high quality and fully professional. Remember, the sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. YouTube is a platform you'll fall in love with once you dive in. The key to success is effort, consistency, and patience. Don't miss the upcoming videos. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're the first to watch the new tutorials. Thank you for sticking with me until the end. You're valuable to me, and I promise to return soon with another fresh and exciting idea.
There's a part of your mind that whispers when you should leave, a quiet alarm that rings with every harsh word, every careless betrayal. Yet somehow you stay. You stay longer than reason would allow. You stay even when your own instincts scream that the people closest to you are the ones inflicting the deepest wounds. It's not weakness and it's not stupidity, it's biology. It's the architecture of your brain, wired in ways that make pain strangely addictive and intimacy dangerous. Somewhere deep within the folds of your neural pathways, the same circuits that bind you to warmth and connection also anchor you to hurt, to those who betray, dismiss, or harm you in ways that seem almost incomprehensible. And when you try to step back, to protect yourself, you feel a magnetic pull that you can't name, a gravitational tug toward the very source of your suffering. This paradox is not rare. In fact, it's far more common than most of us dare to admit. Psychologists have spent decades observing the strange dance between attachment and trauma, studying the way the human brain clings to the very people who destabilize us. It begins in childhood, in the quiet, unspoken lessons we learn about love, safety, and validation. When a caregiver, the person meant to protect us, alternates between warmth and cruelty, our brains develop a map where fear and desire coexist. Every flicker of kindness becomes a reward, a dopamine spike that outshines the scars no matter how deep. The brain does not separate love from danger neatly. Instead, it merges them, creating a cocktail of emotions so potent that leaving feels not just impossible, but unbearable.